In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to obtain the Active Developer Badge on Discord. To begin, click on the plus icon to add a server and create your own. You'll see multiple options such as Create My Own or Start from Template. For simplicity, choose Create My Own for this tutorial. I'll select for main and my friends since the settings can be changed later. Name your server, I'll call it YouTube Help. You can also add an icon at this point. Next, go to Server Settings and enable the community features by clicking on Community, and then Get Started. Check the necessary boxes and proceed with the default settings, ensuring you agree to the terms. Now, you're ready to move on to the next step. You'll need to visit a specific website. Links will be in the description to create a new application. Name your application, for instance, YouTube Help, and enable the required privilege gateway intents by toggling the necessary buttons. Make sure to save your changes. Following this, reset your token and copy it. Go to another website to create a bot, authorize it, and paste the copied token. Once the bot is created, invite it to your server. Afterward, navigate to the developer section on the left side and enable the Active Developer Badge. Make sure the toggle button is on. Finally, invite your bot to your Discord server by selecting the server you created, clicking Continue, and authorizing the action. Complete the CAPTCHA, and your bot will be added to your server. You can check if the Active Developer Badge is available by typing a specific command in the server. Remember, it may take up to 48 hours for Discord to update its systems and for you to be eligible for the badge. Keep your server active by inviting members and interacting with it. After the waiting period, you should be able to claim your Active Developer Badge. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.